Alright, in this video I'll show you a bunch of Vim trick which might come handy to your case. Okay, so I have opened Vim with a plain text file. Okay, so for instance I'm going to take up all this, whatever is coming to my mind at this moment. I'm showing it. Okay, so for instance, if I select this bunch and want to indent it rightwise, okay, so all I have to do, press Ctrl and Shift right arrow. See, the entire bunch moved rightwards. Is very simple. I press Ctrl and Shift with right greater than key. Okay, so for that, if I want to move it back where it was, again I have select this bunch and press Ctrl, right shift and less than. See, it brings back to its original place, right? Okay, so backcoding is absolutely legal, fine, and still people use, but the modern way of doing thing for backcode is to dollar parenthesis, right? Although it doesn't change the meaning, but it looks better, as simpler. For that, I have bounded it to leader CQ because I am changing code CQ. The mnemonics are much more indicative of what you should do. Leader CQ. See, the backcode has changed into dollar parenthesis, which is the modern way of showing stuff. Okay, now say for instance, if you want to see the UTF value of this particular letter for some reason, just press G8. Look at the bottom of this. H has a Unicode UTF-8 value of 48. Okay, so now for instance, if you want to know the ASCII, hex and octal value of D, all you have to do GA. Look at the bottom. The ASCII value is 68, hex is 44, octal is 104, value of D. If you have a chart, you can cross check the values also, but the simple way to achieve it, press G and A. Okay, I'm showing you what is randomly coming to my mind. To now, for instance, if I want to show some file, I have FZ installed. I just press Ctrl F and it will enlist me the file inside that particular directory. Okay, and show me the preview on the another buffer, right? Nice. Okay, for that I have to press Ctrl F. Okay, and for instance, if I want to exchange, say I write please. Okay, so and if I misspelled it, the last two character, if I put the cursor on the last two because I misspelled it, right? It should be PLESE, then ES, right? I have just pressed, put the character cursor on the misspelled character, first character, then XP. See, the character got exchanged. XP means simple. X is to cut, P to paste. It basically cutting this text, whatever is there. E was here, right? It will cut, copy to the buffer, and then P to paste. So it paste the cut character. That's why it is XP, right? Simple way to fix the small typos with the help of one keystroke, right? XP, exchange P, or X, as you mind it, right? So, and what else I need to show you? Okay, so if I want to fold this, if I select this and I press ZF, see it got folded. All those line has got folded into one line. Okay, all I have to do, select those particular line and press ZF. Now to unfold it, I have to just press ZM, ZO. Okay, to fold it, I have to select those lines and press ZF. To unfold it, I have to press ZO. Okay, and now what else? So if I want to know, as you can see on the airline status, that the name of the file. Okay, for instance, you want to insert the name of the file, all you have to do, Control R and then percent, Control R percent. Okay, so I don't get it then. Sorry, I was not insert mode. Control R then percent. See, it get inserted. I have to be on insert mode, and then all I have to do, Control R, then the percentage sign. Okay, to insert the present file where I am in, to be get inserted on the file physically. And you can see the completion, right? You can easily do that with Control F or Control and Control P to get things. Okay, so these are very handy stuff, but remembering will be a headache because we cannot remember so many things. Way of doing manipulating stuff on our beloved editor. So in my other videos in the past, if you check it out, I have explicitly shown the help system to bring up the stuff which will refreshen your memory in a quick way, so you can apply it. For instance, I'm doing it again for your sake. I have bounded that key with the leader key. In my case is semicolon. If I press semicolon, see there is a fuzzy window arrive with the probably most common use of the stuff enlisted here. Okay, so I can easily pick up and do things from, if I remember, if I forgot something. Okay, so now I just forgot something I supposed to show you. What was that? Oh, okay, I remember. So, okay. So, for instance, there is a word hello, and it is padded with few white spaces, right? Normally, it is very difficult to. For that, you have to put a mechanism in your vMercy, which I'll show you later. I have bounded that mechanism to my keyboard F4. If I press this, it will signify and tell me where things are. The red thing, these are the white spaces padded with it. It should not be there. To eliminate the white space, I have bounded a function in vMercy, and with a key is F5. If I press F5, see, the white space gone. Look at the bottom. It is calling a strip trailing white space function. Okay, so these are the very little thing which makes hell lot of difference. Okay, and whatever I am showing to you, it is available in my vMercy, which is hosted in GitHub. Okay, under the .file repository. If you are curious enough to know all this stuff, how these things work, because showing you one by one doesn't make much of a sense. It will, so better you go there, get the vMercy, or look at it, and do the stuff. If you like something in it, adapt it in your environment. As simple as that. But these are the very few things which will help every now and then to enhance your productivity on Vim. Okay, I probably wanted to show you more, but I can't remember what I need to show you more. I think it's better if you really wanted to know something, just check out my vMercy on GitHub. It is under the .file repo. If you like something, adapt it. Okay, so I thought to give you a quick demonstration, few little mundane stuff which might enhance your day-to-day productivity on Vim. There might be others, and I have personally other stuff which time to time pops up for the specific requirement, which I'm not going to show you because those are very specific cases, not so normal like the one I showed to you in this video. So I try to, as I said, I'm trying to give you a demonstration of what is at this moment coming into my mind. So there might be some special cases which are all enlisted in my vMercy. So few little things which might help your productivity sitting on Vim, and it is absolutely essential. So the more you use this, the life become much more easier on Vim, because it's all about our editor is supposed to do editing. That is the fundamental job. Whether it's Vim, whether it's Emacs, it doesn't matter. If you're inside an editor, your fundamental prime job is to edit the stuff you're looking at. For that, it will provide you some sort of tool, some sort of assistant in the form of macro, in the form of commands, in the form of mode. All you have to amalgamate it to get the best out of it. The only solution to that problem is you need to invest time, whatever the editor you choose, to work on day-to-day basis. As simple as that. Until unless you invest a time on something, you want to master or you want to be efficient, not only editor, in any other software, any other thing you are doing, if you do not want to spend time on it, so it will be difficult for you to get over even some of the rudimentary stuff also. You might get away with airy-fairy stuff here and there, but you cannot go far with that. So that is again, in a sense, I'm trying to say again the 10,000 hour rule in life. As the saying goes, if you spend on something roughly 10,000 hours in a lifetime, anything, be it anything, so you'll be in a position where you can understand and do stuff better than other people who haven't spent that long a time on that specific stuff. So spending stuff on your interest, on your time, in this case I'm showing editor, it's Vim, it's Emacs, whatever it is, okay, if you spend time, only you will get much more benefit out of it. So it's up to you. Okay, so I hope this video will bring some sort of interest to few people. If you are interested, go ahead and get your hand dirty. That is the best possible way to get over it. Okay, and spread the stuff to your understanding to other people who needs it. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.